Hello, everybody. So this session is about one of the important topics for checkpoint firewalls, like process and daemons. So if you want to become a good troubleshooter, if you want to get job on tech levels, even you are working as a tier 3 engineer, okay, so it is very, very important to understand the like process, like daemons and process in checkpoint. Then it will be easy to handle, easy to troubleshoot if you want to do on the depth level, okay. So I'm going to explain some important process and daemons, guys, which is generally run on the SMS. First one is like FWM, firewall management process. So this daemon only, we can say process and daemons only run on the SMS. It is very, very important to understand. This session will be very short and quick, guys. Okay. So FWM is the process and daemon. We can say it is only run on the SMS, security management server. Okay. And it's responsible for communication between a smart console and SMS. So whatever communication generally happen between a smart console and SMS on a smart console, we generally put our security management or IP address or MDS IP address. So that communications is responsible by FWA. It's also used for manages high availability synchronizations. Okay. So now it is clear for everybody like what is FWM. And if you know, for example, you are trying to access your SMS with the help of a smart console, and maybe you are stuck and we are getting some error. So it is very important to understand like this process should be run. Okay. Perfect. Second daemon is guys FWD. This is firewall daemon. Okay, and it handles firewall's log received by SMS. Okay, so generally firewall send log to the SMS. For that, FW is responsible. Okay, it also help to transfer log from our SMS security management server to the external server. Maybe we generally use external log server also for storing our log, right? To get it analyzed for like last 30 days or 15 days. So we generally store our log, right? Correct. Also, it is facilitating policy installation from SMS to the gateway. So FWD is also responsible for the policy installation from SMS to gateway. Okay, perfect. Then another is guys CPM. CPM is the checkpoint management process, and it is Java-based web services used to process web request. Okay, for example, a smart console to SMS communications. And I mentioned on FWM also. So if you're trying to access our security management server with the help of a smart consoles and you are getting some error, so like we should be aware about like CPM and AWM, both services should be run. If it's not running, we can't access it. Okay. It's also help to write data to the local database. Okay, guys. Then last other is like CPD, not last. Okay. We have some another daemons also, and some daemons, guys, process and daemons are working on both like SMS and gateway. Okay, so whatever I'm explaining, this is the part of SMS. CPD, checkpoint daemon. So it is very, very important and widely asked in the interview also. So CPD is responsible for secure internal communication between SMS and gateway. So whatever communication happens generally between SMS and gateway, CPD is responsible for that. Also, it is responsible to push policies from SMS to gateway. Okay, so CPD is also responsible to push the policies from SMS to gateway, and it's responsible related to seek communication in between our SMS and gateway. Okay, so I hope it is clear like about the role of CPD. Then CPWD, guys, checkpoint watchdog domains. Okay, so it is used to monitor all the critical processes, guys. Okay, so CPW is basically monitor all the critical other processes and daemon we can say. Okay, how we can run that? If you let me show you also. So if you go on the expert mode, guys, yeah, if you run this command CPWD underscore admin and list. This is the command. So it will show like how many services, all the services here, like FWD, FWM, CPM, right? And so many daemons and processes here, right? So with the help of CPWD, we can see all the other critical processes and daemon we can say, okay? And if you run this command, guys, just wait for the output. So see, I just mentioned like CPM, FWM. If both daemon is not working, or maybe for examples, at the moment, CPM status is a state is started, FWM a state is started. If it is a stop, if it is not started, if it is not running, then we can't access our security management server or our MDS with the help of a smart consoles. It is very, very important to understand. Okay. So I know like it is very much clear. It is pretty much clear for everybody. If you are accessing your smart SMS or MDS with the help of a smart console, and if you're not able to access, your first step to see this Daemons, it should be working. It should be in a started state. Okay, perfect. Then we have some security gateway process and Daemons, guys. Like Daemons, we can say. So like FWD, FWD is common for both. Like FWD work on the SMS as well as gateway also. Okay. It's work to send log from gateway to SMS. So whatever log generally sent from gateway to SMS, it is done by uh, FWD. We can say like in the backend, FWD is the responsible. Okay. Also, it is used for intrusion prevention system IPS packet capturing. So FWD is also used for the intrusion prevention system, guys, for packet capturing. Perfect. And it's also used for synchronization between cluster members. So for example, so you are doing some troubleshootings, okay, related to HA also. So in that case, if FWD is down, maybe a stop, it is very, very important to start it, fix it. Okay. Otherwise, maybe we can't fix our HA related sync related issue in HA. Okay. Then we have CPD, guys. I just mentioned it work on the SMS as well gateway. It's responsible for sync communication between like SMS and gateway. So ensure communication between internal process and daemons. So I hope it is clear for everybody. Then I already mentioned CPWD. So checkpoint watchdog daemon. So it is responsible to monitor other critical processes. Okay. Then last one is, guys, VPN is very, very widely asked in the interview. So if you are doing any troubleshooting related to VPN, so you should be aware about like for VPN, which daemon is responsible. So VPND, and it's handle VPN functionalities and encryption. So VPND basically handles VPN functionality and encryptions. So if you want to debug related to VPN, we should be aware about the daemons also. Okay. And if you want to start any services, guys, if you want to start it, if you run the command cpwd underscore admin and start, and if you're not sure about the command, like which command is used to start which services, just use help, or let me type help. Okay, so we are using wrong command, cpwd underscore admin, and let me use the start dash help. Okay, so if you are not sure, right, if you're not sure like which command used to start the CPD services, it is also widely asked in the interview, guys. Okay, so how to start any services like CPD, FWD, FWM. So if you're not sure about the command, we just need to run cpwd underscore admin, a start a space dash help. If you run this command, we can pause the video and note this command, guys. Okay, if you run this command cpwd underscore admin and then a start a space dash help, it will show all the command related to a start. If you want to start CPD, cpwd underscore admin start dash name, and this is the command. Okay. Okay. So that's it, guys, for the important process and dimension checkpoints. I hope this video has been informative for everybody. If you like the efforts, please share, like, subscribe these channels, share the video to the needed people, and let's meet on the next session with some new topics. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day ahead.